Hi, today I'm going to be going over how to install Pirate Radio to launch Knockout City. First, you're going to go to your web browser and go to kocity.cc. This is the new website for the Pirate Radio launcher. And right up top, you will just hover over download and select the version that you are using. For me, I'm selecting Windows. When it downloads, it'll give you this warning here. You can just go ahead and click on it, and you'll want to click keep. If you're using Edge, other browsers may be different. There'll be the drop down here, keep anyway, and it's done. So if we go to the directory, you can go ahead and open Pirate Radio, and it'll go through the install, and it's done. So you can choose to run it now, create a desktop shortcut, it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and launch and create the shortcut. By default, it comes out of the box in light mode. I'm immediately switching to dark mode. That's up to you, but that button's right here. What you're going to need to do now is go to your accounts and see kocity.cc. I do not have an account. The login button is there. If the arrow is going the other direction, that would be to log out. You can also log into KOCity XYZ from here if you already have an account. I will not be going over that today. So we will click login, and it's going to take you to the kocity.cc website to the authentic login. And here, if you already have an account with kocity.cc, you can log in. Or down here, we're going to click sign up. We're going to enter our email here, and we will set up a username, and you'll give it a password. You can see it's in my inbox right up top. Go ahead and confirm our account. And you'll click continue to confirm. And this lets you know what Authenticate's getting when you log in. And here's your authentication code. You will copy this number and go back to Pirate Radio. So our authentication code in and click login. You will now set your in-game username. If you had an account with the old TCNS server that was being launched through XYZ, you will put the same username here if you want that account back. I did not have an account with this one, so we will just go ahead and create a new user. And now we can see that it's logged in, and the arrows, the brackets going the other direction to show log out. Do not click log out unless you want to change user accounts. Close that. And if you want to join the community discords, right here, the TCNS, the City Never Sleeps Discord, you can click here. It'll launch Discord and add you to the server. In Pirate Radio, we also have a section for mods. There are mods available for the ball currently. You can check the TCNS Discord for more information on that. In the Sync Labs, you can set the server you want to synchronize your game settings with. So you can pull your kocity.cc TCNS server settings, and then if you play on a different server, it'll import them to that server. Again, not really going over that today, but to launch Knockout City from here, you will click on TCNS in the kocity.cc box, and we'll come down here and click launch game. I already have the game installed from Steam. You can see mods have been applied and the game is launching. Now the game will launch. The optional parameters shown here are just the things that need to be sent from Pirate Radio to the game server, so it knows that who you are, what server we're logging into, and what language we're launching the game in. The log level info is default into Steam. And we can change that in Pirate Radio, but there's no reason to mess with any of those settings right now. And as we get into the game, say continue, you can see that the game is working. Into play, let's play, street play, team KO will get you into public matches. You can get into privates if you find and add friends on here. Everything works the exact same as it used to. I think that's going to do it for the tutorial on how to set up and install Pirate Radio. Feel free to reach out to the admin team on the TCNS Discord if you need help with anything. Everyone is more than willing to assist. Have a great day.